Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Kepware OPC communication on an ABB AC500 PLC. First, let's add a new programming organization unit. Here, I will add some tags and program to control from Kepware. I will now add it to the task configuration. Then, we have to make a symbol configuration. We need to build the project. That will allow us to choose all the tags we just made. We can then download the program to the PLC. In Kepware, we want to add a new channel. Here, we choose Codesys. Then, we can choose a name for the channel. Then we can add a device. Here, we choose Codesys version 3 Ethernet. We also need to specify the PLC's IP address. Next, we want to import the tags from the symbol configuration. We can now open up a quick client and test the connection out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.